Have you ever said, I have seen this movie yesterday? Sounds okay, right? But this sentence is wrong. The correct sentence is, I saw this movie yesterday. So, why do we say I saw in one sentence and I have seen in another? Don't worry. Today, we are going to make past simple versus present perfect super easy. Let's begin. Part 1, Past simple. First, let's talk about past simple. We used past simple when something happened and finished in the past, especially when we know exactly when it happened. For example, I visited London last year. I watched that movie yesterday. She called me 2 hours ago. He finished his work last night. Notice the time words yesterday, last year, 2 hours ago, last night. These tell us that the action happened at a specific time in the past. So remember, past simple means finished action plus specific past time. Part 2, Present perfect. Now let's talk about present perfect. We use present perfect when something happened in the past but the exact time is not important or not mentioned. I have visited London. I have watched that movie. She has called me. He has finished his work. We don't say exactly when these things happened. The focus is on the experience or result. For example, I have visited London. This tells us that visiting London is an experience in my life, but I visited London last year. Now I am telling you exactly when it happened. The big difference, let's compare these two sentences. I saw this movie yesterday. I have seen this movie. What's the difference? The first sentence tells us when, yesterday. The second sentence tells us about the experience. I have seen it before. Here's another example. I went to Paris in 2024. This is past simple. Why? Because I told you exactly when. In 2024, now, I have been to Paris. This is present perfect. Why? Because I am talking about my experience, not a specific time. There is one very important rule. Don't normally use present perfect with the finished time. For example, I have seen him yesterday. Wrong. Say I saw him yesterday because yesterday is a finished time. Another example, I have visited Canada last year. I have visited Canada last year.